Hi, my name is Lisa and this is the best school in the world. A few weeks ago we saw this promotion on social media, a free 3D printer for schools. We went to our director and gave her the info. She immediately contacted the i3DL organization and made a partnership. Just a few days later, they came to our school and gave a training program. It was totally amazing. We learned a lot about 3D printing, different applications, and how to work with different 3D printers. Did I mention they also gave us a 3D printer for free? Can you believe it? A free 3D printer for our school. Now every week we go to our 3D printer lab and make something cool with it. This is a necklace I printed for my mom, and this is a toy I printed for my cousin for her birthday. We also have an entrepreneurship project to make a business based on 3D printing. It's so cool and we're all super excited. I'll tell you more about it later.